Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to crochet this beautiful popcorn stitch flower hat for 2-year baby girl. I am using a 4mm crochet hook for my project and this yarn. It's a 3-ply cotton yarn. First of all, make a slip knot and now with the help of crochet hook start making chains. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4. After making 4 chains, make a slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring. Now make chain 1 and then chain 2. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook like this. Go into this ring and then draw a loop. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then through other 2 loops. So this is our double crochet stitch. Now make double crochet 2 into the ring. Then double crochet 3. Double crochet 4. Double crochet 5. And in this way make total of 12 double crochet stitches into this ring. So I have made total of 12 double crochet stitches. Now make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch to close this first round. To start the second one, make 2 chains. And make a double crochet into the same stitch where we have made our slip stitch. Then into the same stitch, again make a double crochet. Then go into the next double crochet stitch and make 2 double crochet stitches in it. Then go into the third stitch and make double crochet 1 and into the same stitch make double crochet 2. Then go into the fourth double crochet stitch and into this fourth one make 2 double crochet stitches. So in this second round we would make 2 double crochets in every double crochet stitch. I have completed these double crochet stitches. Now make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch of this round. To start the third one, make 2 chains. Into the very first double crochet stitch, make a double crochet, and into the next one we would do 2 double crochet stitches, which is our increased stitch. So make double crochet 1 and then into the same stitch make double crochet 2. Now into the next double crochet stitch make 1 double crochet and into the next one make 2 double crochet stitches, 1 and then 2. Then make 1 double crochet into the next stitch and then into the next one make 2. So repeat the process of making 1 double crochet in one chain in one stitch and 2 double crochet in the next stitch and complete all double crochet stitches. In the end, make a slip stitch into the very first double crochet stitch, then make 2 chains, make a double crochet into the very first double crochet stitch, then make a double crochet into the second stitch and then into the third one we would make 2 double crochet stitches into the same stitch, 1, 2 Now go into the next double crochet stitch and make a double crochet, then into the next one make a double crochet, and then into the third one we would do 2 double crochet stitches into the same stitch. Then into the next stitch make 1 double crochet stitch, into the next one again make 1 double crochet stitch, and into the third one make 2 double crochet stitches into the same stitch, and complete this round by making an increase in every third stitch. Then make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch, make 2 chains, and in these 3 stitches we would make 3 double crochet, 1, 2 in the second one, and 3 into the third stitch. And now in this round we would do an increase into the fourth stitch. So make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into this same stitch. Now in the next 3 we would do 3 double crochet stitches in each. So I have made 3 double crochets in these 3 stitches. Now into the fourth stitch make 2 double crochet stitches into the same stitch. So in this round make an increase in every fourth stitch and complete this round. So I have made all double crochet stitches. Now make a slip stitch into the first double crochet stitch, then make 2 chains, and now we would make 4 double crochet in the next 4 stitches. And then into this fifth stitch make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Now make double crochet 1 into the next stitch, double crochet 2 into the next one, double crochet 3 into the third one, and then double crochet 4, and after these 4 stitches again into the fifth stitch we would do 2 double crochet stitches. So in this round do an increase in every fifth stitch and complete this round. Now make 2 chains and then make a double crochet into the same stitch, then make a double crochet into the next one, then make double crochet 3 into the third one, double crochet 4 into the fourth stitch, and then double crochet 5 into the fifth stitch. And after that this is our sixth stitch in which we would do an increase. So make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 into this same stitch. So in this round we would make an increase in every sixth stitch. So I have completed this round. Now from here we would start our simple rounds. So make 2 chains and make a double crochet into the same stitch where we have made our slip stitch, then go into the second double crochet stitch and make a double crochet in it, then go into the third one and make a double crochet, then into the fourth one make a double crochet, into the fifth one make a double crochet, and in this way we would make double crochets in each of the stitch across of previous round, and we would complete this round. So I have completed this simple double crochet stitch round without any increase. Now again we would make 2 chains, and then we would make a double crochet into this same double crochet stitch where we have made our slip stitch. Then we would start making double crochets in each of the stitch across. Without any increase. Now we would make simple rounds till the required length is completed. So I have made a few simple rounds. Now I would change the color and I would make a bubble stitch round here. So join this yarn with slip stitch, then make chain 1 and make a single crochet into this same stitch. Now from here we would start our bubble stitch. So go into the next double crochet stitch and draw a loop. Pull the yarn through 2 loops to make an unfinished double crochet, which is unfinished double crochet 1. Now make unfinished double crochet 2, then double crochet 3, 4, and then 5. Now we have total of 6 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through all 6 loops together. So this is our bubble stitch. Now we would make a single crochet into the next double crochet stitch. Adjust the bubble upward with the help of crochet hook also, and make a single crochet into the next stitch. Now into the next double crochet stitch we would make our second bubble. So make an unfinished double crochet 5 times into this stitch also. Unfinished double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one is 5. Now again we have 6 loops on our hook. So pull the yarn through all these 6 loops together and then adjust the bubble upward to create a bubble, and then make a single crochet into the next double crochet stitch. Then make unfinished double crochet stitches 5 times into the next double crochet stitch to make another bubble. And then make a single crochet into the next double crochet stitch. Now we have even these yarn ends inside this work of bubble stitch and single crochet, so cut them off now. with the help of cutter and start making bubble stitch in the next double crochet stitch. So make unfinished double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5, and then pull the yarn through these all loops together and make a single crochet into the next stitch. So in this way make bubble stitch and single crochet stitch in first and then second stitch and complete this round. Now make a slip stitch into the first single crochet stitch of this round. Then make chain 1 and then chain 2. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook. Go into the same single crochet stitch and draw a loop and pull the yarn through all 3 loops together to make a half double crochet stitch. Then go into the bubble stitch and make a half double crochet in it. Then into the single crochet stitch and a half double crochet. Then again into the bubble stitch and a half double crochet in it. Then again into the single crochet stitch, make a half double crochet. So in this way we would make a half double crochet stitch into the bubble stitch and then a half double crochet into the single crochet stitch, and we would complete this round by making half double crochets in every bubble stitch and a single crochet stitch till the end. So I have made these half double crochet stitches. Now again we would make 2 chains and we would make another line of half double crochet stitch. So start making half double crochets now into these half double crochet stitch which we have made in the previous round. And we would just complete these half double crochet stitches till the end. Make a slip stitch into the chain 2 and cut the yarn. I have made this popcorn stitch flower also. So just join this popcorn stitch flower with the help of needle. Tutorial will be available in the description box. Just weave it with these yarn tails which we have left. I have joined this popcorn stitch flower and bead on this hat. I hope you like this hat and I hope you like the video of booties and frock also. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.